I have just got my carburetors back from Kyle. He's starting, or considering starting, a rebuilding service. And he rebuilt these for me. All new parts internally, jets, floats, needles, the whole lot. So, nice little touch, these little brackets here that hold these pipes. I like that, that's good. They didn't have that before. So, now I've got to fit them. This is the fun bit, because you have to get them through, then get this on without breaking anything. Okay, get that in there. Let's get that started if we can. Never did like this plastic piece on top of these. There you go, and you hear it do that clunk clunk, so you know you got it right. Right, now let me put that one on the other side as I wheel myself around. Boop, boop. Let's turn that the other way. Now let's put this in here. Look at that. Ooh. Gosh, I can't believe that went in so easy. And the cap's going on? Oh, something's got to go wrong. Alright. Okay, next, get these babies in here. And go grab me a screwdriver and get those tight. Alright. That one should do. And do make sure you get these on the right position. And by that I mean where you're clamping the rubber around the carburetor. Il carburetor. You don't want to get caught on that ridge, because you want to make sure you get a good seal. I really do wish they had made a special little manifold here with bolts rather than this rubber thing. I don't know, maybe it was cheaper or something, I don't know. I just think it's poor. Yeah, I need to move that a little bit, that's better. I don't want that touching the engine. Alright, now let's get around to the side. Ooh, hello Bolt, what are you doing there? Where are you from? Well, I'm sure I'll find out. And something falls off. Okay, let's do the same again. Now I've been doing a lot of work on this bike, so if it starts, in my mind it'll be a miracle. And we won't know that of course until we've got some gas in it. And I think I'll try it first without all the air boxes on, and then I'll put them on. You see, told you, make sure you don't get caught on the edge, like I just did. There we go.
Terry clips. How appropriate on a motorbike. I'm sure you all remember the 60s song Terry, sung by Twinkle, her name was. If not, look it up online. It's a motorbike song. Terry, he rode into the night, accelerated his motorbike. I cried to him in fright. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But I guess he did. Alright, connect up the fuel lines. You fuel you. And there's no fuel in the tank at the moment. Oh, well, that's... don't like that pipe. It's got a bit of a kink in it. If I have to shorten that a little bit, that'll take that kink out. Yes, I think I shall do that once I've got this tight and I can see the position. Hold that there. I need more room. I need a bigger garage. I need a 6-berth garage. That'll make me happy. So maybe I need to change the angle of the dangle there. The dingle of Miss Pringle. Yes. I may have these the wrong way round. Yeah, I bet I do too. Alright, let me fix that. I'm not going to let you be bored watching me do that. Let me fix those pipes.
Okay guys, I just have to add this one last comment at the end of the video. I have just watched A Leader of the Pack by the Shangri-Las and also Terry by Twinkle. I don't know your opinion, would love to see it in the comments, but I think Terry by Twinkle is the more powerful of the two. Let me know in comments, it would be great to see.